Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today is the third day of the Diwali series. So today I'm going to make a video on how to buy foundation online. So I know buying a foundation online is very tough. You don't know your shade properly, you don't know your undertone properly. I'm here. I'll tell you everything you need to know to buy your foundation online. So if you are new to this channel, hi, I'm Akshita. Take a moment and please subscribe to my channel. Also, please give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, let's start with the video. Okay, so there are certain steps, and the step number 1 you need to know is to identify the texture of the foundation you want to buy for yourself. So there are a lot of textures of foundation. Foundation comes in powder foundation, cream foundation, liquid foundation, cushion foundation, stick foundation, and so on. So first you need to identify which particular foundation you want, like what texture do you want for yourself. So first you need to identify that, then we'll move on to our second step. Okay, so after the step number 1 comes step number 2. So the step number 2 is to identify your undertone. So finding your undertone is very easy. You just raise your wrist with me and we'll find it together. So if you see green veins, that means you have warm undertone. Okay? If you see blue veins, that means you have cold undertone. And if you don't identify either it's blue or green or you have both of them, that means you're neutral undertone. So there are only 3 types of undertone: cool undertone, warm undertone, and neutral undertone. Okay, so now that you have found your undertone, the next step is to watch the swatch video. So for example, you want Maybelline's foundation. So you go to e-commerce website where the foundation is available either on Nykaa or any other e-commerce website. So there is a small video that has all the shades they have in that range. So you can watch those videos, or you can watch any trustable YouTuber which you know gives you perfect knowledge on makeup products. You can watch that video. This way you can eliminate the foundations you don't like, your shade is not at all matching to them. So you're left with 3 or 4 foundations, that's all. And the next step will tell you how to choose from those. Okay, so now that you are left with 2 to 3 foundation shades, now go to YouTube and find some good YouTubers who are matching to your skin tone. So this way you'll able to know that what their shade is, and you can also match with your own shade. Like, okay, she has 230, so I think my skin tone is same like her, so my shade is also 230. Okay, but don't depend just on one YouTuber. Research properly. You can watch 2 to 3 videos, and this way you'll able to find your own foundation shade. Okay, it was that easy to find a foundation online. Okay, but I have one more thing. Like, if you own one brand's foundation, like say Maybelline, you have Maybelline's foundation and you know that your shade is 230. So now that you want any foundation from say L'Oreal or Nykaa, so what you can do is go to foundation.com. Here the step 1 is enter a brand of foundation or concealer that you wear. So I write Maybelline. Okay, so now comes the step number 2. Step number 2 says, what product do you use from Maybelline? So you can write Fit Me. Fit Me poreless foundation. Now comes the step number 3. You can write your shade. So my shade is 230 natural buff, and then you have to choose find my matches. Okay, so you have all the recommendations they have from your shade. Like, if you want a concealer from Maybelline, you can buy 25. It's your perfect shade. L'Oreal 106, Milani 05 warm beige, and like that. MAC NC35, Estee Lauder you have 3 and 2 wheat. So this is amazing, and this way you can find a foundation online. So that was it for today's video, and I'll see you in my next one. If you wanna see my previous 2 videos which I uploaded on the Diwali series, I'll list them below in my description box. Don't forget to check that out. Bye.